Hi, hello, Steven, hello, my friends. How are you? What's up? I hope you are. Today we will talk about how to make a better use of teaching education. Today we'll start by talking about to every full video planning math classes video, and the next video is a view of today's student. The first video April fall by France tell us about how to use autism in education should be integrated in the case in mathematics classes to make them more practical. In the second video, he showed us how today's students should learn. The way they learn was their needs to learn, their goals, hopes, dreams, what their lives will be like, and what kind of change. In my opinion, it is necessary to begin to generation react change from education. These are very useful, but the begin to make transcendental use or more practice use, we must begin to use them in a more significant way and learning to integrate them into the reality of the student. What to mean that we really used it. Let's really taking advantage of these technologies is a more positive way to teach children. Thank you so much. Bye bye bye. See you later.